broad strikes our mind, there's one university which no one wants to miss surely. Yes, it's Arizona State University, which is generally on students' radar for higher education. So watch this video till the end as we will cover everything from its impressive #1 ranking to the campuses, popular courses, scholarships, fee structure, vibrant college life, and of course job placements. So let's get started. Arizona State University is a public research university and was named the most innovative university in the US by US News and World Report. This reflects ASU's commitment to advancing education through new ideas, cutting-edge research, and a strong focus on student success. ASU campuses. Now let's talk about the campuses. Arizona State University has 5 campuses spread across the Phoenix metropolitan area, where the names are Urban Temple, Downtown Phoenix, Polytechnic, West, and Lake Havasu, both. So no matter what you're studying. Courses at the rate ASU. Coming to academics, ASU is known for its innovative programs. Some of the most popular courses are in Business at the WP Carey School of Business, which is consistently ranked among the top in the nation. Second is Engineering at the ERA, a Fulton Schools of Engineering offering a variety of cutting-edge programs. Then the university has programs in nursing and public health, along with communication and media. अब बिजनेस स्कूल्स में पढ़ना है तो बजट भी देखना पड़ेगा. Well, the tuition fees for US residents is all around $10,000 per year. For non-residents, it's around $30,000 per year. But don't let those numbers scare you. ASU has a wide range of scholarships and financial aid options to help manage costs. Make sure to check out their scholarship page to find opportunities that fit your profile. Eligibility criteria. Jumping on to the most important part, what is the eligibility criteria? To get into ASU, you will need a high school diploma or equivalent or bachelor's degree in a related field. GPA of 3 or higher is expected. IELTS, TOEFL scores, GRE GMAT is required for certain programs. Remember, each program has its specific requirements, so be sure to check the details for your intended major. Campus life at the rate ASU. ASU के कोर्सेज, कैंपसेस, स्कॉलरशिप्स के बाद अब बात करते हैं यहाँ की कैंपस लाइफ के बारे में. Well, ASU is not just about hitting the books. There are over 1,000 student organizations, from academic clubs to sports teams, where you are bound to find your tribe. And let's not forget about the legendary ASU spirit. From tailgating at football games to participating in cultural festivals, there's never a dull moment. Plus, the warm Arizona weather means you can enjoy outdoor activities year-round. Job placements. Finally, let's discuss about the job placements. ASU has a strong reputation for connecting students with employers. The university offers career services, job fairs, and internship opportunities that make it easier for students to land jobs after graduation. In fact, over 90% of graduates find employment within 6 months of graduation. With connections to top companies in various industries, ASU helps pave the way for your future career. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at why Arizona State University should be on your list of potential schools. From its top-notch ranking to the diverse programs and the many benefits of studying at a public research university, ASU has a lot to offer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our future content. Got questions about ASU or the application process? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. Until next time, happy studying.